Hello, good day. I am Farah Montilla and I am 41 years old. I am married. I have three kids, and my educational background is a second year college of Bachelor of Science of Education. And my working experience as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia. First, I am a nanny. I taking care of a newborn baby girl and a 5 years old baby girl also. My duties is to take care of them, and then I finish my contract after 2 years, and I also have a new employer, a couple elderly, 76 years old, madam, and 85 years old um, baba. And my duties are uh, household chores, cook for them, giving them medicine that they need, and I finished my contract there. Then I'm hoping to find another job opportunity in your country, and I hope you will hire me as a mm, new helper on your family. And I am a trustworthy, hardworking, and a God fearing person. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.